What's up, Kalamazoo? Chef Josh here, along with our resident dietitian, Kirsten Strong. For this month's Excelsior recipe rundown, we thought we'd take you on a little field trip because it's still summer break. So this month, we're going to show you how to make a Mediterranean kale and pasta salad.
That's right, here we are at the Kalamazoo Farmers Market. There are so many vendors here and they're selling all kinds of different things. You can get your fresh meat here, fresh picked flowers, there's clothing, there's arts and crafts, there's of course lots of fruits and vegetables and tons of homemade goods. Very cool. Also, the best thing about the market is if you have a bridge card, you can come up to this booth and you can use that bridge card to trade it in for wooden tokens that can be used throughout the market. If you do come to the Kalamazoo Farmers Market, make sure you come hungry. They have a huge variety of delicious things to eat. There's taco trucks, there's donuts, there's pasties, there's smoothies, there's coffee, there's elote. You name it, they've got it. Our first stop was Bankston Lake Farms, which is a farm in Lawton, Michigan, and they grow all of their fruits and vegetables that you see here. We were able to get our basil and kale from Bankston Lake Farms. Next, we hopped over to the Cheese People, which are from Grand Rapids, and they produce all of their cheeses. And here we were able to find our feta cheese and Parmesan. And last but not least, we went over to West Michigan Pasta Provisions, and we found some really cool looking local pasta.
All right, back from the farmer's market. We're going to continue the field trip. We're in my personal tiny home kitchen, and we have these lovely Michigan products we got at the market. And we're gonna put together this Mediterranean kale pasta salad. It's hearty and delicious.
But first, check out this cool kitchen hack for small spaces. You can go to any hardware store and get a pegboard that you often see in garages, and you can hang pots and pans instead of tools in your kitchen. Saves tons of space, and it looks really cool. Step 1, let's boil some water.
You always want to season your pasta water. This not only adds flavor, but raises the boiling point. Kale pulls off the stem really easily, and you always want to make sure you rinse it in case there's any sand in the creases of the leaves. Next, we're just going to chop it up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to start prepping our other ingredients. Basil, if you just roll the leaves up and do a little julienne, that's a nice trick, but we're going to mince it up real fine for the dressing. Basil paste can be a quick shortcut. Next, we're gonna crumble our feta, grate our delicious Parmesan, and really finely mince a few garlic cloves. It looks like our pasta water is ready. Let's get our pasta in there. We're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes till it's just past al dente, and then we're gonna rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. Chef's secret to perfect sun-dried tomatoes, buy them at the store. Now we're gonna start combining all the ingredients for our vinaigrette. It's super basic, but packs a lot of flavor. And you can always add a little more salt at the end to the finished product if you feel like it needs a little more flavor. Just whisk everything together, super simple. To make our delicious finished salad, just start mixing everything together in the bowl. We're gonna add the vinaigrette at the very end and just start mixing. Don't be afraid to really get in there.
And that's it. I love this summer salad. It's light, it's fresh. You can add a chicken breast to make it a complete meal. And the kale is also a dark leafy green vegetable full of great nutrients. Until next time, Kalamazoo.